Agrandfather has been told to pull down his fake speed camera in case it causes crashes, but he says, "They can forget it. They are going to have to prosecute me." Mike Lacey, 72, also has his own handheld speed gun and has clocked cars going 90 miles per hour in the 50 miles per hour zone outside his house in Beeston, Bedfordshire. He spent £40 erecting the speed camera made from wood and pipes after a real one was removed on the A1, which runs past his house. But Bedfordshire County Council say it has to go because he has no planning permission and Highways England believe it is a distraction. Mr. Lacey says he will not remove his fake speed camera until the authorities make the A1 safer.He told The Sun, "I will take it down as soon as I get some form of speed control reinstated on the A1. Until that time they can forget it. They are going to have to prosecute me." The grandfather regularly stands outside using a speed gun he bought online in the US designed to measure the speed of baseballs. He says that 9 out of 10 drivers he clocks are going over 50 mph. He said previously, "The speeds I have been recording are quite alarming. There are certain times of the day when it's prevalent. The worst is between 5 p.m. and 7 p.m. on the northbound carriageway. Some are going up to 90 miles per hour because they don't fear getting caught," he says. Mr. Lacey said, "The obvious answer is a speed limit reduction or average speed cameras through the whole section. But the authorities say they are doing lots of work in the area." A Highways England spokesman said, "We cannot support the use of dummy cameras like this and have raised it with the council." While police said officers from the Roads Policing Unit also patrol the area regularly and take action against motorists who do not observe the speed restrictions.